Alright, good morning. So I was assessing the radiator for the Geo Tracker. I found out the hard way in the forums, Suzuki forums, that I guess different specimens, even with the same drivetrain, can have different sizes radiators. And when I ordered, the radiator, and again, it could be fucking Alice in Wonderland syndrome, because you have to measure it, which shouldn't be the case. It should say fits, and you should be able to go with that. Anyhow, so I measured it. The measurements actually do line up with the specimen, but I got another issue that I was dealing with. Water likes to get in, and you can kind of clearly see it looks like an animal made some type of homemade. And I was able to stick my hand. I know it's one advantage to being slender like me. You can kind of see debris barely. I probably got most of it out, but this thing definitely needs some work. That's actually what I was able to extract out, so I got half the battle done with that. Now I'm just going to put the wipers back on, and we'll go from there. I think I am going to do the heated core bypass, while I'm here, might as well. Because the way the hoses hook up, it's unusual, so I can see them back there. Yeah, holy shit, they fucking don't make this thing, they do not make it easy. Anyhow, that's all she wrote. Definitely, needs some stuff. Or maybe I'll see if there's like a heated core leak. I was using black pepper, and in fact, that reminds me, let's check the, okay, there's still coolant in there, so that's good news. So that actually reminds me. So I think what I'm going to do today, instead of the radiator project, because I only like spending about 2 hours on this fucking thing. The hoses are still pliable, but yep, there you have it. It's a 1990 Geo Tracker. I definitely want to see, how I can check the timing belt. Because that's another concern I have. But anyhow, just one repair at a time, and I'll talk to you.